Hello, Bacha Bati. How are you all? I hope all of you are doing well. I know all of you are missing my lectures of science. So, as you all know, in all the four division, we have already started that particular woodcutter story, and I think in some of the division we have completed that woodcutter story of chapter number 15. And from yesterday's video or previous video we have completed that chapter, and I have also sent the assignment related to that, isn't it? So today we are going to start with chapter number 16. Okay, chapter number 16 today we are going to start, which is very simple chapter. As I have already said, कुछ चैप्टर ऐसे होते हैं जो फट से विद इन अ 1 वीक और विद इन अ 2 लेक्चर्स चैप्टर्स खत्म हो जाते हैं. दिस इज दोज काइंड ऑफ चैप्टर. सो टुडे इन दिस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू द इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स और द कंसेप्ट of that particular chapter. Okay, and after that I will send the particular explanation video that you have to watch very carefully. Okay, this is very simple chapter, but if you all know, in the last offline lecture I have told you about manners. Okay, manners, values that you learn from school, that you learn from your parents, and that values and that manners we are going to learn in this particular chapter. Okay, this is not a conceptual chapter, इसमें कोई concept सीखने नहीं मिलेगा, but you will learn about some important value. Okay, जो आपको आगे जाके बहुत काम आएंगी. Is it clear to everyone? This is very simple chapter. This is very interesting chapter. Okay, but you have to pay attention. You have to watch explanation video very carefully. Is it clear to everybody? So let's start with the particular introduction, or should we say the important topics of the chapter. So in this chapter, first you will learn about, as I said, values and manners. Okay, values and manners in our day-to-day life. One important value that you are going to learn in this chapter is to treat everyone equally. Okay, this chapter is basically about how we treat people lower than us, like how we treat the jhadu walas, the gutter saaf karne wala. Okay, how we treat them. I hope we all treat them nowadays very very respectfully, but in earlier time, okay, our elders, they are not treated them very well. Okay, so these values we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay, this chapter basically focus on the concept or the issue of untouchability. ओके, जो अछूत होते हैं ना, हम जैसे अभी तो ऐसा कुछ रहा नहीं है, लेकिन अर्लियर डेज में अराउंड इन 1900s 19th सेंचुरी पीपल आर कंसिडर्ड टू बी अनटचेबल, अछूत, कि उन्हें छूना नहीं है. Even nowadays in some villages or some states there are still some people who consider this particular very very, what we can say, जो टॉलरेट नहीं की जा सकती ऐसी चीज को अभी भी वो लोग फॉलो करते कि ऐसे लोगों को छूना नहीं है, ऐसे लोगों को छूना नहीं है. ओके, बट दिस इज नॉट गुड. This is not at all good. Okay, so this chapter focus on the issue of untouchability. Okay, and the freedom fighters, our previous freedom fighters who has fought against this particular issue. Okay, our freedom fighter also has fought against this untouchability issue. उन्हें भी ये सब पसंद नहीं था कि क्यों भाई, क्यों उनको छू नहीं सकते. Okay, there are certain group of people like जो हमारे ग्रेनेज साफ करते हैं, गटर साफ करते हैं, जो झाड़ू निकालते हैं. ओके, सो दिस पर्टिकुलर देयर इज सम कास्ट, देयर आर स्पेसिफिक ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल जिन्हें कहा जाता है कि इन्हें छूना नहीं है, इनसे बात नहीं करनी है. दिस इज नॉट गुड, एंड फॉर दैट आवर फ्रीडम फाइटर हैज ऑल्सो फाइट. ओके, हमारे जो फ्रीडम फाइटर्स थे, नेमली महात्मा गांधी जी, डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब आम्बेडकर, and many more freedom fighter has fought against this particular untouchability issue. Okay, so in this chapter you also learn about Mahatma Gandhi ji, who is also known as father of our nation, isn't it? He is the father of our nation. He said that every person should do every kind of work. ओके, एवरी पर्सन शुड डू एवरी काइंड ऑफ वर्क. ऐसा नहीं कि भाई हम तो भाई बड़े लोग हैं, हम ये सब नहीं करेंगे, ये सब तो छोटे लोग करते. नो, not like that. Every person must do every kind of work. Is it clear to everyone? Then you will find some small story of Narayan Desai, who is son of Mahadev Bhai Desai. Okay, and Mahadev Bhai Desai is a friend of our Mahatma Gandhi ji. Okay, Narayan Desai is a son of Mahadev Bhai Desai, and Mahadev Bhai Desai is friend of our Mahatma Gandhi ji. Okay, so in this story you will learn about how this Narayan Desai stayed with Mahatma Gandhi ji in Sabarmati Ashram, how he followed them, how he fought against this untouchability issue. Okay, and we know that Sabarmati Ashram is near to Ahmedabad. The detail you should know. Okay, then we have Dr. Bhimrao Babasaheb Ambedkar. The detail of Bhimrao Babasaheb Ambedkar, how he fought his entire life against the untouchability. उन्होंने अपनी पूरी लाइफ ये अछूत के खिलाफ लगा दी कि भाई सबको इक्वली ट्रीट करना चाहिए. एंड ही इज अ ड्राफ्टर ऑफ आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, जो हमारे देश का संविधान है. Okay, the constitution, almost 90 to 80% of constitution is written by him. Okay, he is a drafter, draft करने वाला. Okay, he is a drafter, chairman of constitution committee. Okay, chairman of drafting committee of constitution. He has played very important role in our entire constitution, Dr. Bhimrao Babasaheb Ambedkar. Okay, then we have some points related to Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan started in 2014 for Clean India process. Okay, by Narendra Modi ji. Is it clear, Bachcha Party, what you are going to learn in this chapter? If you pay attention, you will learn very important things, very valuable things, very moral things, very ethical things, manners, values from this chapter. ये चैप्टर में कुछ कंसेप्ट नहीं है, लेकिन ये चैप्टर में जो है वो आपको लाइफ टाइम तक काम आएगा कि हमें सबको कैसे ट्रीट करना है. हाउ वी शुड ट्रीट एवरीवन अराउंड अस, वेदर दे आर लोअर और अपर. हाउ टू डू वर्क. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एज्यूम करो कि द सर्टेन ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल और सर्टेन कास्ट ऑफ पीपल, इफ दे डोंट डू देयर वर्क, कि अगर भाई गटर साफ करने वाले हैं, अगर वो लोग गटर साफ करना छोड़ दे, वो लोग कहे कि हम गटर साफ नहीं करेंगे, देन हु विल डू देयर वर्क? एवर इमेजिन दैट, कि अगर वो लोग नहीं करेंगे तो कौन करेगा? एज्यूम, सिर्फ एज्यूम करो कुछ देर के लिए कि भाई इफ दे हैव डिसाइडेड टू नॉट टू डू वर्क फॉर 1 month और 6 month, सो कौन करेगा? So we have to treat such people, such group of people or such caste with very much respect, because वो लोग जो काम कर रहे हैं ना बेटा, वो कोई नहीं करता. So we have to treat them with respect. Is it clear to everyone why this chapter is so much important? Okay, I hope you all are clear with what we are going to learn in this chapter. So today I am going to send the objective videos of this chapter, and day after tomorrow, okay, in the next time I will send the explanation video of this chapter. Okay, Bachcha Party, I hope all of you are doing well. We will meet soon. I am also missing you all. Okay, take care, bye bye, stay healthy, stay fit, bye bye.